Hi everyone, this is a short video on the eccentricity of ellipses and hyperbolas. It basically describes the shapes of each of these conics. It's also defined as C over A, and if you recall, we know that for ellipses we have that C squared equals A squared minus B squared. So therefore we know that C has to be less than A. And if you divide everything by A, so let me divide everything by A, we get 0 is less than C over A is less than 1. So for ellipses, this has to be less than 1. And if the value is closer to 0, then it's near, the foci is near the center of the ellipse. So basically, if I draw a circle here, well, this is going to be an ellipse, but close to a circle. So here's my center, and my foci is very close to the center, then it almost looks like a circle, so it defines the shape. However, so this is close to the 0. If it is closer to 1, then it's far from the foci is far, it's like 4, far from the center of the ellipse. Therefore, we would have something like this, a more long ellipse, either vertical or, so here's your center. This is a horizontal ellipse. And for example, our foci is far from it, then it looks more elongated. And that helps you define the shape of the ellipse. Now for hyperbolas, it's the same thing. It's E equals C over A. However, because our C squared equals A squared plus B squared, we know that A is less than C. Therefore, if I divide everything by, we need C over A. So basically, if I divide everything by A, we get that C over A, if I look at this piece, is greater than 1. So let's look at 1. So if it's close to 1, then our graph looks something like, I'm just going to use the center here. And let's say that E equals 9 over 8. So if E is 9 over 8, then this is kind of wider in here. Get a shape of the hyperbola. So if it's closer to 1. However, if it's not close to 1, so a lot bigger than 1, excuse me, not close to 1, then we get something like, this is Y, this is X, and this is our origin here, this is our origin here. I'll put a little dot here. It's going to be, let's say that E, let's pick something, E is, say, 13 over 5. So a lot bigger than 1. It's actually bigger than 2. Then you get a more curvy or wavier. It'll be more like this. It gets closer into each other. Okay? And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.